Empty set literal. Equals empty list. Equals empty tuple. Equals empty dict. Is there a similar notation for an empty set? Or do I have to write set?
No, there's no literal syntax for the empty set. You have to write set.
By all means, please use set to create an empty set. But, if you want to impress people, tell them that you can create an empty set using literals and with Python is greater than or equal to 3.5, see PEP 448, by doing. This is basically a more condensed way of doing underscore for underscore in, but don't do this.
Just to extend the accepted answer. From version 2.7 and 3.1 Python has got set literal, in form of usage, 1, 2, 3, but, itself still used for empty dict. Python 2.7, first line is invalid in Python 2.7. Python 3.x. More here, this URL.
Yes. The same notation that works for non-empty dict / set works for empty ones. Notice the difference between non-empty dict and set literals. 1 column A, 2 column B, 3 column C, a number of key value pairs inside makes a dict. Triple underscore A, BBB, CCC, a tuple of values inside makes a set. So, equals 0 number of key value pairs equals empty dict. Equals empty tuple of values equals empty set. However, the fact that you can do it doesn't mean you should. Unless you have some strong reasons, it's better to construct an empty set explicitly, like NB, as Truiden noticed in comments, is not an empty set. It's a set with one element, empty tuple.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.